How you feeling?
Great! Finally, I live up to my Yeti name. In high school, they called me Yeti, the abominable snowman. And then I found my Graceland.
Yay!
Yay!
Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Careful. The winner of 2011, baby. We won't soon forget it.
You'll never forget it. It did the exact same thing last year, today. On this day, last year, it did this. For all you who don't remember.
I remember, I guess.
You were at work. I went to this thing. And I came back. It was crazy.
And how? Say bye.